As Tony Payne said, knowledge is a new rich. Arm yourselves with it. I totally agree with it, and I know you do too. Because knowledge is one of those things you can think to invest in and gets the best interest. Hello guys, I'm Neha and welcome back to Target Study YouTube channel. Knowledge, knowledge, knowledge. Knowledge is everywhere, guys. All we need is to develop interest in us to get it. Along with that interest, we need smartness too, because it is very important and serious matter to select the right area in which you want to gain the knowledge and can earn good money too. And my dear friends, we all know this bitter truth that earning money is not that easy, especially in today's time. But there is one more thing we are sure about, that we got a lot of options around us. All it depends on you, that which option you want to choose. Like you can choose management, engineering, agriculture, medical, etc. And the best way to achieve your goal by getting the right and proper knowledge is going for a proper course. And in today's video, I chose to talk about something from medical line, and that is pharmacy, as it is one of the most in-demand areas, especially in the prevailing circumstances in which you will be getting a bundle of knowledge as well as can earn a good respect and money too. So if you are planning to get in this field, I would love to be a little part of it by providing a proper and appropriate information. In this video, we will talk about B Pharmacy. In this video, we will talk about B Pharmacy, also known as Bachelors of Pharmacy. Today I will be explaining in detail about the course and its related information. I will be telling you some of the important things about B Pharmacy course, like what is B Pharmacy course, what are the eligibility conditions for pursuing B Pharmacy course, what are the minimum required skills to do B Pharmacy course successfully, what is the syllabus of B Pharmacy course, how to get admission in B Pharmacy, which are the top institutes providing B Pharmacy course, what is the fee structure, what are the career prospects and job opportunities after completing B Pharmacy course. If you are looking for answers to some or more of these questions, then keep watching this video till the very end. Let us start with a very basic question, and that is, what exactly B Pharmacy is? B Pharmacy or Bachelor of Pharmacy, also known as B Pharma, is a career-oriented 4-year undergraduate medical course which is further divided into 8 semesters. A Bachelor of Pharmacy degree is a gateway to enter into the pharmacy sector in medical and healthcare industry. This course helps in testing and researching of drug for a particular disease and giving awareness about the dosage of drug to the patients. B Pharmacy consists of core subjects including pharmaceuticals, pharmacology, pharmaceutical chemistry, and pharmacognosy. Now I would like to tell you about the eligibility conditions required for B Pharmacy course. Candidates who have passed their 10 plus 2 examination with physics, chemistry, biology or mathematics and English, preferably with 55% or more aggregate marks, are eligible for pursuing B Pharmacy course. Candidates who have completed their D Pharma course from Pharmacy Council of India approved institute are also eligible to take lateral entry admission in the second or third semester of B Pharmacy course. Here I would like to make it clear that some institutes may even provide admission to candidates with lower percentage of score, and some reputed institutes will consider the core of entrance exam as well as the qualifying exam to providing admission in this course. Along with fulfilling these eligibility conditions, you must have certain set of required skills to achieve success in B Pharmacy course. That skill set includes the skill like strong communication and interpersonal skills, understanding and motivation ability, knowledge about healthcare and biomedical science, sharp memory and deep knowledge, adaptation ability to dynamic situations, and determination and consistency skills. Now you would like to know about the syllabus of B Pharmacy course. B Pharmacy course is divided into 8 semesters, and in the first semester you will study subjects like Basic Electronics and Computer Applications, Pharmacognosy 1, Pharmaceutical Analysis 1, Pharmaceutical Chemistry 1, and Remedial Mathematical Biology. Second semester will consist of subjects like Anatomy, Physiology and Health Education 1, Advanced Mathematics, Pharmaceutics 1, Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2, and Pharmaceutical Chemistry 3. Whereas Semester 3 consists of subjects like Anatomy, Physiology and Health Education 2, Pharmaceutics 2, Pharmaceutical Analysis 2, Pharmaceutical Chemistry 4, and Pharmacognosy 2. In the fourth semester, you will study subjects like Pharmaceutics 3, Pharmaceutical Microbiology, Pharmacognosy 3, and Pathophysiology of Common Diseases. In semester 5th, you study subjects like Pharmacology 1, Pharmaceutics 4, Pharmaceutical Chemistry 5, Pharmaceutics 5, and Pharmacognosy. Whereas semester 6 consists of subjects like Pharmacology 2, Pharmacognosy 5, Pharmaceutical Chemistry, Pharmaceutical Jurisprudence and Ethics, and Pharmaceutics 7. In semester 7, you will be taught about Pharmaceutical Biotechnology, Pharmaceutics 8, Pharmaceutical Industry Management, Pharmacology 3, Pharmaceutical Chemistry 7, and Elective. In 8th and last semester, you will study subjects like Pharmaceutical Analysis 3, Pharmaceutics 9, Pharmaceutical Chemistry 8, Pharmacognosy 6, Pharmacology 4, and project related to elective. Once you are aware of syllabus, you must be curious to know about the admission process of B Pharmacy course. Admissions to B Pharmacy course can be done through two ways. One, by direct admission, and the other is by entrance examination. Few colleges do direct admission on the basis of the merit list of the marks acquired in 10th plus 2 examination, but most of the reputed pharmacy colleges provide admission to this course on the basis of rank obtained in the institute level, state level, or national level pharmacy entrance exams. You can visit our website targetstudy.com to know about all the pharmacy entrance exams conducted in India. Now let me share the names of some of the reputed pharmacy entrance exams. Although all the reputed pharmacy institutes take their own pharmacy entrance exam or provide admission on the basis of state level or national level entrance exam, yet some of those entrance exams that you can take are Punjab University Common Entrance Test, Maharashtra Common Entrance Test, Manipal Entrance Test, Himachal Pradesh Technical University State Level Common Entrance Test, Kerala Common Entrance Test, and Banaras Hindu University B Pharma Entrance Test. Which are the top institutes for doing B Pharmacy course? If you are planning to get admission in government or public institutes, then you can go for Government College of Pharmacy, Bangalore, College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Andhra University, Andhra Pradesh, Jamia Hamdard University, New Delhi, and Punjab University, Chandigarh. If there is a need to go for private institutes, at that point, there are institutions like Amity University, Noida, Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Manipal, Pune College of Pharmacy, Pune, and Birla Institute of Technology and Sciences, Hyderabad. Here comes a general question asked by every single aspirant, and that is, what is the fee structure of B Pharmacy course? The amount of fees varies as per the institute's genre, infrastructure, reputation, as well as industry acceptance. However, the average course fees for Bachelor of Pharmacy may vary from as low as Rs 40,000 per year in government institute to 1.5 lakh rupees per year in private pharmacy colleges. I would again like to tell you that these fees can vary considerably even in the same genre of institute. So it is advisable to always confirm the exact fee from the particular institute before planning to get admission into it. Now you might be curious to know about career prospects and job opportunities after the completion of B Pharmacy course. After B Pharmacy degree, candidates are offered ample of employment opportunities in public or government as well as private sector. Pharmacy graduates can get equal jobs in government and private sectors such as pharmacies, health centers, medical dispensing stores, and food and drug administration, etc. Candidates can also go for higher education in the field and enroll for courses like M.Pharma, PhD, Pharma D, and LLB to study drug and pharmacy laws. MBA in Healthcare Management after B Pharmacy can help you get managerial post in the related field. Some of the popular job profiles offered to B Pharmacy degree holders are Clinical Research Associate and Medical Procedures, Drug Safety Associate, Drug or Health Inspector and Medical Writer. Along with it, you can also work as Analytic Chemist, Formulation Development Associate, Sales or Marketing Executive, Pharmacy Manager, and Teacher or Professor. Many of you have asked about the post of Drug Inspector. So here is the answer to that question. You are very much eligible to participate in the competitive exam taken for filling the coveted post of drug inspectors in the state government departments. Now the most eagerly asked question, and that is how much salary one can get after completing B Pharmacy course. The amount of salary of a pharmacy graduate varies greatly based on the sector of employment and the candidate's perseverance, diligence, and it also changes according to the years of experience in the relevant field. The average salary offered to Bachelor of Pharmacy course degree holder can be anything between Rs 3.6 lakh to Rs 10 lakhs per annum. In government sector, good pays are accompanied with various kind of perks and emoluments like HRA, TADA, along with much required respect and prestige associated with a post like that of a drug inspector. So we can say that there is a lot of scope and career opportunities available after B Pharmacy degree. That is all from this video, guys. I hope this video helps you in moving your career in the right direction. If you still have any further queries, you may let us know in the comment section. We will try our best to provide the right information to you soon. If you like this video, please hit the like button. For more such videos, subscribe Target Study YouTube channel, and to get regular notifications, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.